Okay, let's move on with the introduction. Free-ranging dogs, unique canines. Let's start by giving some numbers just to understand the proportion of free-ranging dogs. The global dog population is estimated to be 900 million of dogs. 80%, 83% between those numbers, 80 to 83% of those of the world canine, world dog population is estimated to be free-ranging dogs, meaning 750 millions of free-ranging dogs versus about maybe under 50 or under 60 or something like that. Of domestic dogs, right? Meaning dog that lives in a house, as we know, in a backyard, as we know, on a farm, as we know in the Western countries, also everywhere in the world anyway. So we're talking about a very important species, not just for its proximity to human. Of course, dogs are very proximate to us, are very close to us. It has been the first animal to be domesticated and is walking alongside with us, evolutionarily speaking, since thousands of years, right? But also because the numbers are very high, are very important, and so certainly it's something to consider when we think and we talk about free-ranging dogs. And also those dogs are widely spread. They are very well distributed, meaning that they are everywhere around the world. Except from Antarctica, that's the only continent where we don't find free-ranging dogs. That's because of conservation reasons, meaning that back in the 80s there was a call, an environmental call, and then in 94, if I recall it right, dogs were removed alongside with other species from Antarctica for conservation reasons. But apart from Antarctica, dogs are everywhere in all the other 6 continents. They are present, they are well distributed, they are spread all around the world. So this is a very important thing that we need to include in our considerations. Here, a bit late, those two details in this first part of the panel. Stray dogs, village dogs, free-ranging dogs, sylvatic dogs, wild dogs, feral dogs. We have been hearing a lot of way of calling those dogs, and there is a lot of confusion about that, and that's problematic because the frame we give to a dogs, how do we name them, provides already an important information about a possible behavior of that dog. So it provides an information about the ecotype of that dog. What does that mean? It means that free-ranging dogs, all of the free-ranging dogs share a fundamental ecological characteristic, right? They are free to wander, they go around, and they cope with the circumstances that are offered to them by the daily events occurring around them, right? But their behavior and their interaction with humans may differ, their diet may differ, their sociality may differ. So when we name a dog in a certain way, we are already providing an information about what may be like the life of that dog.